able to pick up some sort of momentum sa pagkapanalo sa kanila. Tandaan natin, the first time naglaban ito, tambak ang FEU no first set against RTU. Pagtalunan, dinaan sa pagiging veterano.
And sometimes, you know, no matter what you do, if it's a veteran move, medyo mahirap i-counter yun eh.
Talaga. Nagulat na lang sila, nailusot dito si Pagtalunan. And now he is serving. Barica, bad reception. Habol ngayon ito si Refugia and Marmeto has to get that one across. Pagtalunan, quick set. Papunta rito kay Masahud.
Good play from RTU.
Sahud, Masahud. Able to get that one down. Tandaan din natin that RTU is missing the services of Edwin Adjon. Isa sa mga kanilang major contributors. What a serve coming from Pagtalunan. Gakutan na abangan that time ni Abdul.
And this time around, the defense of RTU working.
Ang ganda ng panimula ng RTU dito sa ating second set.
Again, it's a question of also the same, kung kaya bang isustain.
Right. Well, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's, and that serve by Pagtalunan goes out. Namutla doon si Barica, biglang lumiko eh.
Munti ka na, buti na lang.
Oo. 3-1, first score para sa FEU dito sa ating third, or make that second set.
Well, that's the beauty of, you know, having yung mga floater na services. Kasi yun yung mga tipong akala mo outside, then all of a sudden biglang bababa, magdidip. Exactly.
Pagtalunan, shoots it across at si Abdul.
Straight into the net.
Ganda na sana ng set, pero si Abdul was not in the right spot. So just like that, isa na lang po ang abante rito ng RTU. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. At si, puti ko na sabihin, Sunny Margate, Lucky Margate to serve. Nga, kamusta natin si Sunny Margate? Baka nanonood sa Amerika. Yan. Pagtalunan.
Combination play.
Wow.
That makes it to the corner.
Pero Ladja has been quiet. Ha? Ladja is one of the leading scorers dito ng RTU. So far, kukunti pa lang ang puntos niya. Let's see kung yan ang magiging spark para kay Al Nasip Ladja. 4-2 RTU. Sahud, Masahud. Refugia, binalik kay Kayaban. Refugia this time going to Greg Dolor. Nag-open spiker, bigla yung panggitna nila.
Actually, I think that hit from Dolor is outside already. Kasi yung defense sa RTU, nandun na siya sa end line eh.
Alam mo, RTU is one of the best liberos dito sa ating liga. And Viking and Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
And I think as soon as the ball hit his hand, he realized, oh my, outside.
Pero quick set that time para kay Jamiri. So si Jamiri now restores a 2-point lead para sa Blue Thunder. So Al Nasip Ladja. Ladja with the jump serve. Fielded by FEU. Here's the back set ngayon. Gakutan! Hindi. Tumama daw sa net.
That was an error. Very obvious error there from Gakutan.
Sa basketball, dunk yun.
Kaso walang ganun.
Wala, hindi mo pwede hawakan yung tape ng net sa volleyball.
Yeah.
So 6-3. Ladja once again. RTU up by 3. Marmeto with a better reception. Dolor ginamit ang haba ng galamay. Pagtalunan on the back set papunta kay Abdul. Dolor was there. Kabila naman ngayon. Ay, nalunod. Ito si Patrocinio seeing his first action. So Paul Brian Patrocinio in for the first time. Error sa kanya. So puntos para sa FEU. Jerry Gakutan now to serve.
Service good.
Here's Pagtalunan ngayon. Tinulak
good
na laban.
Save.
That's again Marmeto. Barica! Hindi na maabutan niya. Late reaction by Patrocinio. Maabutan pa sana niya yan kung nauna lang yung takbo niya. So 6-5 at patuloy pa rin ang mainit na paglalaro nitong si Joshua Barica. Gakutan, may lumilipad na daliri. Okay Yan yung video bomber. Kamay ni Coach George. Or kamay ni Coach Kid rather. And another service ace. FEU led in service aces 4-1 ng ating first set. At patuloy maganda nilang pinapakita from the service line.
And in fact, you know, they have been using service also to their advantage. Lang kinakargahan nila yung
Right.
kanilang mga services. And the RTU has, in several occasions already had difficulty para makapagbigay ng magandang first ball.
Patrocinio ng Almot. At tumama nga sa kamay nito si Refugia. Hindi nakaiwas ito si Refugia. So, the Patrocinio experiment is over for Coach George. Babalik na naman si Abdul Majid Jaidal. As RTU leads by 1. Once again, Noel Zarate kasama po si Ivy Remulla at si Ann Remulla Kanda from the arena. Action po sa ating preliminary round men's division sa Shakey's V-League. Joshua Barica is on fire.
Good adjustment from Barica. He's really read the defense of RTU very well.
7-all ang ating score. And now Greg Dolor. Dolor again, pinagmamayabang to ni Coach Kid. Panoorin nyo tong batang to. Ito yung, well, pinanood na natin at nag-service error tuloy. 8-7, Rizal Technological University up by 1.
Just a quick update on RTU as Coach George continues to push his team to work harder and even better here in the second set. He said, you need to take advantage of the weaknesses of FEU. And once again, he reminded the team na mas bata man ang kalaban nating FEU, mas may endurance man sila, mas veterano naman tayo. And we need to make sure that we maximize that. He also pointed out 3 things that first, they need to play smart volleyball and be more aggressive on the floor. Secondly, kailangan nilang unahan ang FEU para di sila mahirapang humabol. And third is to play consistently from start to finish. Coach George also told Pagtalunan to vary his plays and execute more combination plays to ensure that RTU is not as predictable as they were in the first set. Noel and Ivy?
Thank you very much, Ann. At mahaba-habang rally naganap dito pero si Barica hindi na ipasok yung kanyang tira.
Yeah, that went outside.
So 9-7 po ang ating score. Dikitan pa rin po tayo. Kanina rin, first set, dikitan tayo. Bigla na lang nung bandang gitna, nasindihan yung mitsa nitong FEU.
Yeah.
Bigla humarurot na lang
That's
sila.
right.
So the serve now coming from Jamiri. Combination. Barica na naman!
Oh, another excellent hit from Barica.
At nalito yung depensa doon. Kasi tingnan mo, akala yung hulog. Oh, mukhang hulog. Bigla, oh.
And give credit also to the fact that one blocker nag-commit sa kanilang middle attacker.
Yun din.
So that helped. So isa lang ang naging blocker nitong si Barica, the middle blocker of RTU, too late already.
Regalo
Oh.
cannot be converted by Joel Cayaban. 10-8 RTU. Ganda sana na serve to ni Barica. So now serving, Abdul Majid Jaidal. Jump serve coming up from Jaidal. Barica. Refugia na abangan to ni Ladja. Cayaban on the third ball off the head of Masahud. Pagtalunan, Masahud. Akala natin nahilo na si Masahud doon. Hindi pala.
Lalo palang nabuhayan. Mas lalo siyang nabuhayan sa
Ganun lang pala
pagkakatama.
kailangan. Oo. Ganun lang pala kailangan. Kailangan tamaan siya sa ulo. Matibay-tibay ang helmet niya. No? 11-8 RTU. Jaidal once again. Barica, Refugia, Margate. By King, sending it to Ladja. And Ladja will miss.
Sends it outside.
11-9 na naman. Tandaan natin, 11-8 yung kalamangan ng RTU nung biglang bumulusok yung FEU sa panahon ng tagulan. Iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katol. Ang gamitin proudly, Philippine-made. Captain Refugia now to serve. Good one. Very good one.
Oh, good save there.
Pagtalunan, tinakbo yun talaga. Combination, Cayaban!
Cayaban making up for the previous error that he had.
Oh, again, galing 11-8 yan. Ngayon,
Yes.
11-10.
Cayaban here with the attack, who now has 4 points. It is Barica leading the attacking points here for FEU, who's now in double digits.
Grabe, no? Second set pa lang tayo.
I think he already has 12 points.
Wow. Here's pagtalunan ngayon on the quick set. Papunta rito kay Jamiri and rather kay Masahud. According to referee Efren, di daw yun naitawid. 4 touches for RTU. Tied at 11. Parang replay ng first set to 3 straight now para sa Tamaraws. And the Shakey's feeling is powered by Motolite battery pang matagalan. Manolo Refugia. Good serve once again. Pagtalunan, Ladja. Kayaban, free ball coming up from Refugia. Short free ball, pagtalunan. Nice defense there from FEU's Gakutan. Ladja!
Oh, that makes it to the line. Both of them thought na outside na.
So Ladja giving back the lead to RTU, 12-11. And the veteran, John Pagtalunan now to serve. If it's One Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Refugia delays it for Gakutan. Abdul, tinawid na lamang. Refugia, quick set to Margate.
Oh, ball is still alive. Good coverage here for RTU.
Marmeto, combination play now, Kayaban.
Off the block.
Pagtalunan ngayon on the back set to Abdul. Ang ganda ng depensa ni Kayaban.
Excellent block from Kayaban.
Yan ang timing.
Oh, perfect timing.
Because it looked like patay na yung cross-court dito ni Abdul. At the same time, pati yung camera natin, nalito Kayaban.
Doon dapat focus, biglang bumalik
Tied at 12 ngayon. On the serve now for Lucky Margate. By King. Pagtalunan. Great defense by Greg Dolor.
Another excellent block from the Tamaraws.
Depensa ng FEU yung namamayani dito po sa ating second set as they now take the lead for the first time. 13-12. Lucky Margate once again. By King. Pagtalunan. Combination play. Ladja. Margate is there. Refugia sending it to Kayaban. Nice defense pero lalabas. Net violation ang hinahanap dito.
RTU claiming that there was no touch from the blockers.
Setting change para dito sa kupunan ng RTU as Dulahid will see his first action. That's Al Nasil Dulahid. 14-12. FEU na po nakakuha ng kalamangan dito na 2 puntos. Lucky Margate continues to serve. That one is in and it's played by Abdul. Ladja misdirects it. Refugia, Dolor. Yan ang power tip. Gusto mo example ng power tip? Yan ang ginawa doon ni Greg Dolor.
Super power tip.
Oo. Kumain ng power pellets, tapos biglang power tip. Dapat may sound effects. Parang kinalmot ng tigre. 15-12. Naiiwan na naman po itong RTU as FEU has turned up the heat here in the second set. Margate, kahapon pa po nagsiserve. And
Good
it's still
serve.
good. Dulahid chases it. Abdul galing sa likod. Barika. Dolor!
Oh, excellent play from FEU.
16-12. All of a sudden, FEU has turned it up dito sa ating second set. We'll be right back. Baliktad, di ba? Kumukuha tayo ng import.
Siya
Kinukuha ng Thailand para maglaro.
But of course, he's one of the best volleyball players that we have in the country.
That's right.
Mga living legends.
Pero bata pa.
Oo.
Another good serve. At si Margate, aabutan na ng Pasko, nagsiserve pa rin. 17-12. So ano itong run na to? This is a 9-1 run. Tama ba, Bari? 9-1 run para dito sa kupunan ng FEU. Margate. Another good one. Dulahid with a lifting violation. 10-1 run for FEU. It's nice to see na nag-uusap na sila. Itong kupunan ng RTU. On the court, kailangan nilang dalhin yan. As you take a look at this last serve, grabe. Lucky Margate. He's not being lucky, he's being good.
That's right. He's being, consistent.
Correct. Ito yung lifting violation. Obvious na obvious para dito kay Dulahid.
And, well, you know, without the first ball na yung sinasabi nga ni Coach George, no, hindi talaga sila makaka-execute any of those attacks. So everything starts off with a good receive. So yun ang pinapaalala niya. Huwag kaagad atake ang nasa isip nating lahat.
O, bagong utility spiker naman ang papasok para sa RTU as Jeffrey Hapson will replace their captain. Etong si Sabial Abdul. 18-12. Lucky Margate now to serve. Well, Lucky Margate has been serving since last summer. Oh,
Oh, another
yan ang Lucky.
service.
Oo.
Ace for FEU.
Now, Lucky got lucky that time.
Oh, yun ang luck. But
Oo.
all the other services were really pure skill.
Si Barry may 80s reference na naman. Just got lucky daw.
Gumaganon pa kasi pa.
Sumasayaw pa.
Pati yung actions and the
Dapat
dance.
meron tayong Barry cam dito di ba? Yung camera ang katutok lang kay Barry
Oo.
Pascua. The Antiquity Dance. Ayan na. Ayan na. Sumablay na tuloy ito si Margate. At palitan ng tao dito. Fresh legs coming in. At we will have Ryan Crisostomo seeing his first action. And now ito pinag-usapan natin at the start of the coverage. Itong si Jaminel Campoy, who actually took the place of Adjon in the lineup in their last game against itong Instituto Estetica Manila. So Campoy ngayon, alam naman natin, very explosive ang kanyang mga palo. But he will be in to serve. And here is the reception and the play from FEU. Pasok na naman yan para dito kay Jeric Kakutan.
Perfectly executed combination play. We haven't seen a lot of those running hits from FEU.
Oo. Actually, si Dolor hindi humihingi. Siya yung number 1 option doon. Kayaban with the long serve. So ngayon, yung FEU, after serving very well throughout the match, now 2 service errors back-to-back. Here is Barika. Ayun, nagparamdam na naman. So Barika. Grabe ano, ilang
Oo.
points na kaya yan? Oh, now 21-14. So may delay yung ating scoreboard. Tama yung graphic natin kanina. The scoreboard
it's
here at the arena was delayed. Yes.
21-14?
Oh, officially po, aayusin po natin yung score. 21, yan na po. 21-14. 7-point lead for FEU. Almost became 8. And Dulahid. Well, itong mga sub ng FEU, hindi na tumakbo, naglakad na lang galing timeout. Take a look at this. One more time. Grabe, Joshua Barika getting it done. And now Franco Camcam will come in. Rochet Villegas will also come in. So full front line na naman para dito sa kupunan ng FEU. Rochet Villegas, masasabi natin, the co-captain. So Villegas, the backup setter.
Good serve.
Oo. Dulahid. And here is Villegas now on the back set. Tulak galing dito kay Franco Camcam.
Oh, good save from RTU.
And Hapson gets that one across. Villegas, Greg Dolor.
Excellent play.
Kahit sino setter ipasok na
Oo,
FEU, ano?
It doesn't matter. But again, I guess you have to give credit to the fact kasi that FEU, meron silang pasa Meron silang
Right,
first ball. So
right.
I guess it doesn't really make it very difficult for their setter to execute any of those plays.
And everybody does it. Hindi lang si Rico Marmeto
Yes.
gumagawa nun. Good serve there. Coming from Villegas. Whoa! And that is Jaidal letting out all his frustrations in life. Sa isang palong yun.
But, you know, for this particular play, Noel, again, give credit to the fact they had a good first ball.
Oo.
Yun ang hinahanap ni Coach George kanina pa
Well, ngayon, kailangan sunod-sunod na yan. They are down by 8. Hapson on the serve. And Franco Camcam, ginulat si Hapson.
I think that would have gone outside.
Franco Camcam is only 18 years old. Tingnan mo naman yung
A lot
katawan
of
yan.
fresh legs here for
pero
FEU.
grabe yung pangangatawan nito. Mamang-mama na yun
Talo ka,
sinabi.
Noel, eh, no?
Ay, pangangatawan ko. Daming tatalo sa pangangatawan. Di na natin kailangan pag-usapan yan. 9 set points para sa Tamaraws. How many do they need?
Oh, good
Tonight?
reception there.
Isa lang.
That's good block.
Margate puts that down. 25-15. FEU now leads 2 sets to nothing. Tandaan natin yung unang lang paglalaban. RTU led 2 sets to nothing.